Hello everybody. Today I solve a chemical reaction by ion electron method where potassium dichromate reacts with potassium iodide in acidic medium to form potassium sulfate, chromic sulfate, iodine and water. At first we can mark of that atom which oxidation number undergoes changed. For this reason, in potassium dichromate, chromium is plus 6 oxidation state which reduced to chromic sulfate which is plus 3 oxidation state. So, chromium undergoes reduction. Chromium undergoes reduction. On the other hand, potassium iodide, I in potassium iodide in minus 1 state 2 goes to iodine molecule which is 0 oxidation state. So I undergoes oxidation. In the next step, we can rewrite the above equation. Rewrite the above equation in ionic form. In potassium dichromate, chromium exists as dichromate anion, which is known as Cr2O72 minus. In potassium iodide, I exists as iodide anion, I minus. And from H2SO4, we obtain H plus ion in solution. In the product side, at first we see K2SO4. But in this step, K2SO4 is not written here because in K2SO4 there is no atom is present which oxidation number undergoes changed. So in this step, K2SO4 is not written here. The next is chromic sulfate. In chromic sulfate, chromium exists as Cr3 plus. Iodine molecule, that means I2 and H2O. In this step, we must write of that atom which oxidation number undergoes changed. Now next step is oxidation half reaction. Oxidation half reaction. Which atom undergoes oxidation? I. Iodide undergoes oxidation to form iodide to iodine. At first, atom balance will occur. Now, for this reason, left hand side 2 is written. 2I minus arrow I2. By this way, we balance the atom from both sides. After balancing atom, we balance the charge also. 2I minus means 2 excess electron present in the left hand side. And I2 means no excess electron present in right hand side. For this reason, we can write plus 2E in right hand side. By this process, after we write 2 electron in right hand side, we can balance the following reaction by electronically and as well as atomically. Then reduction half reaction. Here Cr2O7 2 minus converts to chromic cation Cr3 plus. At first atom balance takes place Cr2, 2 Cr atom present here. So right hand side 2 Cr plus. This 7 oxygen atom converts to water in acidic medium. Here H2SO4 is present in this medium which makes acidic in the reaction system. So by 7O atom, here 7H2O will form. This 7H2O require 14H atom. This 14H atom comes from 14H plus ion. So by this way we can balance the reaction atomically. After balancing the equation atomically, the charge balance is required. Cr3 plus means electron deficiency of 3 electron. 2Cr3 plus means 6 electron deficiency at the right hand side. 14H plus means 14 electron deficiency in the left hand side. And Cr2 minus means 2 electron come in the left hand side. After filling up 2 electron, here now deficiency of 12 electron, and right hand side deficiency of 6 electron. So if we put 6 electron in the left hand side, that means if we written plus 6C in left hand side, then charge balance will occur. Then left hand side deficiency of 6 electron, right hand side have also deficiency of 6 electron. By this way, we can balance the charge of reaction 2. Now after this step, we can multiply the reaction in such a way that electron in the both sides are become equals. For this reason, equation 1 multiplied by 3 and equation 2 multiplied by 1. So 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1, and then addition we get 6I minus plus Cr2O72 minus plus 14H plus arrow 3I2 plus 2Cr3 plus 7H2. Then rewrite the above reaction as molecular form. Rewrite the above reactions in molecular form. Now 6I minus. I minus comes from Ki. So 6I minus comes from 6 molecules of Ki. Cr2O72 minus comes from potassium dichromate. One potassium dichromate molecule can form one dichromate anion. So this one dichromate anion comes from one molecules of potassium dichromate. And 14H plus comes from 7H2SO4 because H2SO4 is a dibasic acid. Arrow 3I2 plus 2 chromic ions scatters comes from 1 molecules of chromic sulfate plus 7H2. In this state, we see that in the left hand side total 8 potassium cations, 6K and 2K, 8 potassium cation are excess in left hand side. Not only potassium cation, there are also excess of sulfate ion also. Left hand side 7 sulfate ions are present. Right hand side 3 sulfate ions are present. So in left hand side 4 sulfate ions excess present. So in the last step, balancing eight K plus cation and 4 sulfate minus anion, we get this 8 K plus cation and 4 sulfate anion can form 4 molecules of K2SO4. So we get last step 4,6Ki plus K2Cr2O7 plus 7H2SO4 equals to 3I2 plus Cr2SO4 whole 3 plus 7H2O plus 4K2SO4. Now, in this step, balancing the chemical reaction is complete by ion electron methods. This reaction is important for our exam. You must like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.